This looks like a wonderful opportunity. It's got good sponsorship here. You got CNN, CBS, ABC, and then it promises all these wonderful things. Get rid of student loan debt. Take advantage of new federal programs. And it has all this information over here. Get your student loan forgiveness now. And it's asking for your necessary information. This is very convincing. And it over here it offers qualify for student loan forgiveness, and it offers low monthly payments, 0 monthly payments, income-based reduction, and it gives forgiveness and consolidation, public service workers forgiveness, and 17,500 in upfront forgiveness. We have streamlined the process. Be informed. Check your options. And then they've even got President Obama's name over here, Obama Student Loan Forgiveness Program. It's an interesting thing. It looks good, but it's not real. You weighed down with serious student loan debt, and it's horrible. We are all looking for a way out, and these people are preying on our need to erase that student loan debt. Student loan debt can be crippling, and it can last for such a long time. So you sign up for this thing and you think you're free and clear finally, and you really have graduated now because you can actually live, and so you're all excited, and then you find out it's all a scam. And the debts are there. You put yourself in a worse situation because now you have not been paying on your loans and you're enrolled in some fake program that's been taking your money. That alone is devastating. And this is a scam ad. It looks so real. Always remember, just because the ad looks legit does not mean that the organization who bought the ad is actually legit. Do your research. Operation Game of Loans is really being effective. They once again have prosecuted another one of these organizations that's offering fake debt relief for students, and they were charging $1,000 illegal upfront fees. And the Federal Trade Commission has seized over $5 million of their assets to provide some type of refund to those who were taken advantage of. Now, in the complaint, the FTC says these folks misrepresent themselves as being affiliated with the Department of Education or the consumer's loan servicer. So when someone calls claiming to be from the Department of Education or from your loan servicer offering you some type of get over your debt situation, please do not take these folks at face value. Investigate who they are. Don't call their phone number back. Call your loan servicer direct or call the Department of Education. Get their names and organizations, and then you can find out if these people are real or not. So these defendants were charging people this upfront fee to provide them with this so-called paperwork and everything to get loan forgiveness. And they were using advertisements on Facebook and other social media to brag about their ability to establish your eligibility, to get you approved or enroll consumers in loan forgiveness programs, which in fact, as it says here in red, only the Department of Education can qualify or enroll consumers in such programs. And this is what makes it so terrible, because the information for our students is out there on the Department of Education's website. So once again, I'm telling you, just do your due diligence. Now, here are the names of these people who were involved in this. They're in California, so you can find the names listed here on this screen. So if you've had any kind of dealings with them, you want to definitely contact the Federal Trade Commission. I have their number at the end of the video. Yes, this is a continuing on with the defendants in this case. Here is some additional individuals that they were also able to get judgments against involved with this scam. And this paragraph clearly states consumers can apply for loan deferment, forbearance repayment, and forgiveness or discharge programs directly through the U.S. Department of Education or their loan servicer at no costs. These programs do not require the assistance of a third-party company or payment of application fee. For federal student loan repayment options, they give you a website here on it, and it says studentaid.gov/repay. But if you have private loans, you want to go directly to your loan servicer. The Federal Trade Commission and the courts in California rule that these people are permanently banned from this type of business venture. They cannot do any kind of debt relief, as you see on the screen, or any kind of financial or other products or services. Now, here is the consumer contact information. If you were caught in this scam, please call this number and they will help you with seeing about if you qualify for any of the redress that they have. They have monies that they have collected from these individuals. As you can see from this California scam, the desire to get away from the student loan debt, the scammers have realized that there's a growing market of people desperately trying to get relief. And you see this scam offered the forgiveness and programs as it shows on this fake ad they put out. So as I've said before, student loan debt is crippling at times. You must contact the federal government Department of Education if you're having problems. Go to the people you got the loan from if you have a private loan. These people promise to erase this debt. Student loan debt is not like credit card debt or car loan. You have made a contract with the United States government to get an education that will allow you to have a good life. But you have to remember that contract is with the federal government. These people cannot change the status of your loan. They can do absolutely nothing for you. You have the right to go to the people you made the loan from to get relief. And this is the thing that these scammers don't tell you, that they just hinder you and end up with that debt just hurting you even more because you've been scammed and you have not been paying on your loans. So please do your due diligence. If someone calls you claiming to be from the Department of Education offering you a way out of your debt, that's the trigger right there to let you know it's a scam. So call the Department of Education. Do not call their number back. Go get your book that you got from the company that issued the loan. Call those numbers and find out if this stuff is legitimate. Once again, thank you for visiting my channel, and please contact the number in this video to see if you qualify for any type of refund from these horrible people. Once again, thank you for visiting my channel and have a great day.